Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change your bank account on Vagaro. Now, I know that this might seem like a simple task, but it can actually be a bit confusing if you're not familiar with the software. So, I'm going to walk you through the steps one by one. But before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever tried to change your bank account on Vagaro before? If so, what was your experience? I'm asking this because I want to get a better understanding of your needs and challenges. And I also want to share some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. So, if you've ever had any trouble changing your bank account on Vagaro, please leave a comment below and let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. Now let's get started. How to change your bank account on Vagaro. Log in to your Vagaro account. Click on the Settings tab. Select Billing Information. Click on the Update Bank Account button. Enter your new bank account information. Click on the Save Changes button. That's it. You're done. Now, let's go over some of the things you need to keep in mind when changing your bank account on Vagaro. First, make sure that you have the correct bank account information. This includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Second, make sure that you enter your bank account information correctly. Even a small mistake can cause problems. Third, be sure to save your changes. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you out. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.